Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are well. Today, we have to discuss about the applications of differential equation, that is, in growth and decay model. Growth means increase and decay means decrease. And so, we have to consider the examples. Now we have the example number 1. A population grows at the rate of 2% per annum. How long does it take for the population to double? यानी कि जो पॉपुलेशन है वो 2% पर ईयर के अकॉर्डिंगली इंक्रीज हो रही है, ग्रो कर रही है, और कितने टाइम के अंदर ये जो पॉपुलेशन है इट बिकम्स डबल. वी हैव टू फाइंड द टाइम, एंड फॉर दिस we have to suppose let the initial population be P note, and after t years it will be P. ठीक है, after t years it will be P. And now we have given the population grows at the rate of 2% per year. That means we have given dp upon dt, क्योंकि rate of change of population with respect to time, that is equal to 2%. 2% means 2 by 100 of P. 2% given है, it means 2 by 100 of P. And now here we can say that this dp upon dt is equal to 0.02 P. Yes, now by separating the variables we can write this as dp by P is equal to 0.02 into D. And now we have to take the integral. Here we have dt. Take the integrals, that means just wait. That means here we have dp by P. dp by P is equal to 0.02 into dt, and now we have to integrate both sides. On integrating both sides, the integral of 1 by P, that is equal to log of mod P, is equal to 0.02 into integral of dt, that means t plus c, and c is the constant of integration. I hope you understand this. Yes, and now here it is given that when t is equal to 0 initially, t is equal to 0, and this population P is equal to P naught, and therefore say this is number 1 equation, and therefore from 1 it becomes log P naught is equal to 0 plus C. It means the value of C is equal to log P naught. And now substitute this value in number 1. Therefore from 1 it becomes log P is equal to 0.02 t plus log p naught. And now this log p we have to take on this side, and therefore it becomes, what it becomes, log p minus log p naught is equal to 0.02 t. Log p minus log p naught, it becomes log of p by p naught, that is by, yes, by properties of logarithms, and that is equal to, we have given, that is equal to 0.02 t. Is it clear? Say this is equation number 2. We have to suppose this is equation number 2. Yes, now here we have given, we have to find when the population doubles. That means we have to find the time when this population is becomes double. That means twice of p naught. It means here p upon p naught is equal to 2, and substituting the values of p by p naught here, it becomes log 2 is equal to 0.02 t. It means we have to find the time t is equal to log 2 upon 0.02. I hope you understand. This is the time when the population becomes double. I hope you understand. Okay, yes, and now we have to move to the next question, that is question number 2. The rate of growth of a population is proportional to the number present. If the population of a city doubles in the past 25 years, and the present population is 1 lakh, and when the city have a population of 5 lakh, and we have to use log 5 base e is equal to 1.609, and log 2 base e is equal to 0.6931. We have to use this. And now here the rate of a population, rate of growth of population is proportional to the number present. And now suppose, what we have to suppose, let p be the population, at any time, population at any time t, and it means rate of growth यानी कि dp upon dt is proportional to, this is the symbol for proportionality, and this is proportional to the number present. Number कितना present है? p present है. And when we have to remove this proportionality sign, it becomes dp by dt is equal to kp, where k is constant of proportionality. जब भी ये proportionality का हम साइन को रिमूव करते हैं, तब यहाँ पर एक constant हम अप्लाई करते हैं. Okay, and now we have to move towards the next step. Here we have given dp by dt, that is equal to k into p, and therefore dp by p is equal to k dt, that is by separating the variables. And now we have to take the integral. dp by p is equal to k dt plus, and when we have to take the integral, it becomes log p is equal to kt plus c. Okay, and now we have to suppose that at p is equal to p naught, p is equal to p naught when t is equal to 0. Initially t is equal to 0, that means initially there is no time, then the population is p naught, and therefore from this first equation we can say that log p naught is equal to t0 0 plus c. It means c is equal to log p naught, and substituting the values here, and it becomes log p is equal to kt plus log of p naught. And now we have to simplify this, then it becomes log p minus log p naught is equal to kt. It means log p by p naught is equal to kt. And when we have to remove this log, then p by pt is equal to e raised to the power kt. ठीक है, ये भी पॉसिबल है, लेकिन अब हमारे पास कंडीशन क्या गिवन है? ठीक है, कंडीशन हमारे पास गिवन है कि पॉपुलेशन डबल हो जाता है इन 25 years, इन पास्ट 25 years. That means P is equal to twice of P naught when T is equal to 25. ठीक है, T की वैल्यू 25 सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं, एंड देयरफॉर और P by P naught क्या बन जाएगा? log 2 बन जाएगा, and therefore it becomes log 2 is equal to 25, क्योंकि t की वैल्यू 25, k as it is, और p by p naught हम यहाँ से कैलकुलेट करेंगे, its value is 2, and therefore log 2 is equal to this. And now substituting the value of k, what will be the value of k? K is equal to 1 by 25 log 2. ठीक है, अब ये जो वैल्यू है, इस वैल्यू को हम इस इक्वेशन में, नंबर 2 इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं, एंड देयरफॉर फ्रॉम दिस 2 इक्वेशन इट बिकम्स log of p by p naught is equal to 1 by 25 log 2 into t. Is it clear? Any doubt? And now we have to find, क्या find करना है? Yes, we have to find the population when it increases from 1 lakh to 5 lakh. ठीक है, 1 lakh से 5 lakh में इंक्रीज हो रही है. That means यानी कि हम सपोज कर लेते हैं when t is equal to capital T, क्योंकि हमें नहीं मालूम किस टाइम में होगी, तो इसको हम कैपिटल T सपोज कर लेते हैं, एंड दिस पॉपुलेशन P is equal to 5 times P, क्योंकि जो पॉपुलेशन है, पॉपुलेशन 1 लाख से कितने इंक्रीज हो रही है? 5 लाख इंक्रीज हो रही है. ठीक है, 1 लाख से 5 लाख इंक्रीज हो रही है, तो इसलिए यानी कि जब हमारे पास टी टाइम के अंदर ये P by P is equal to 5 P naught, and therefore this P by P naught is equal to 5. ठीक है, अब ये जो वैल्यू है, हम ये जो ऊपर ये थर्ड इक्वेशन गिवन है ना, दिस वन, इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं, एंड देयरफॉर इट बिकम्स log 5 is equal to t by 25, यानी कि t हमारे पास क्या है? कैपिटल T, t by 25 log 2. ठीक है, अब यहाँ से जो है ना, हम कैपिटल T फाइंड करते हैं. दिस कैपिटल T इज इक्वल टू 25 log 5 डिवाइडेड बाय log 2. ठीक है, और log 5 की वैल्यू स्टेटमेंट आपने नोट की होगी, तो वहाँ पर log 5 की वैल्यू मैंने बताई थी, गिवन थी log 5 is 1.609 and log 2 its value that is given here 0.6931 and therefore on simplification you will get approximately it is equal to 58. That means in 58 years the city has the population 5 lakh. Okay, that means in 58 years population becomes 5 lakh. Population becomes 5 lakh. Okay, I hope you understand this. If there is any doubt, then you can contact me. Yes. Yes, now we have the next example. It is known that if the interest is compounded continuously, the principal changes at the rate equal to the product of rate of the bank interest per annum and the principal. If the principal increases continuously at the rate of R% per year, find the value of R if 100 rupees double itself in 10 years and use this log 2 base is equal to 0.6931. Okay, and now we have to suppose let अपने स्टेटमेंट तो नोट कर लेना क्योंकि यूज करनी है हमें स्टेटमेंट को बाद में भी. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सपोज लेट P is the principal at any time t, and now according to the condition interest is compounded continuously, the principal changes at the rate, यानी कि dp upon dt that is equal to the product of rate of bank, यानी कि रेट ऑफ बैंक हमारे पास गिवन है R% पर ईयर, that means R by 100 into product of rate of bank per interest per annum and the principal, that means dp by dt is equal to rp by 100, and now we have to separate the variables and therefore it becomes dp by p is equal to r by 100 into dt, and this will be the number 1 equation. And now integrating both sides, that means integral of dp by p is equal to r by 100 constant टर्म है, इसको बाहर ले लीजिए और ये dt, and therefore we have the integral of 1 by p that is equal to log p is equal to r by 100 into t plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Say this is number 2 equation. And now it is given initially we have to suppose P naught is the initial principal when t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0 and P is equal to P naught, and therefore in this second equation we get log P naught is equal to R by 100 into 0 plus C. It means C is equal to log of P naught, and substituting in number 2, and therefore it becomes log P is equal to R T by 100 plus log P naught. वही सेम स्टेप्स आ रहे हैं, log P naught को इधर लेके जाइए and therefore by using the properties of log it becomes log P by P naught is equal to RT by 100. Say this equation is number 3. ठीक है, अब ये log P by P naught is equal to RT by 100 and now it is given that rupees 100 double itself in how many years? Double itself in 10 years. यानी कि जब हमारे पास T10 है, when T is equal to 10 and P is equal to choice of 100, that means we have 200. And now substitute the values in number 3 and therefore from this number 3 it becomes log of 200 by 100, क्योंकि पहले हमारे पास कितना था, 100 था, जब टाइम 0 था तो P नॉट पे यानी कि T इज इक्वल टू 0 पे 100 है और अब T 10 ईयर्स में 200 हो जाएगा, log 200 बाई log 100 इज इक्वल टू T की वैल्यू क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, 10, इट बिकम्स R into 10 by 100 and therefore R is equal to, this will be cancelled, R by 10 is equal to log 2, it means R is equal to 10 log 2 base 10 and the value of log 10 that is equal to 0.6931, that is given here and therefore it becomes 6.931. It means the rate of interest is equal to, yes, the rate of interest is equal to 6.931%. I hope you understand. And now we have to discuss another example, that is the last. Yes, now in this example we have given the temperature T of a cooling object drops, that means the temperature is decreasing at the rate which is proportional to the difference T minus S, where S is the constant temperature of surrounding medium. That means we have given dt by dt is equal to minus K into T minus S, where K greater than 0 is constant and T is the time. Solve the differential equation when T0 is equal to 150. And now we have to solve, and we have given this dt by dt, this capital T is the temperature and small t is the time, that is equal to minus K T minus S, and therefore by separating the variables we can write dt upon T minus S is equal to minus K dt, and now integrating both sides and therefore it becomes dt by T minus S is equal to minus K into dt, and therefore the integral of T minus S 1 by T minus S, that is equal to log of T minus S is equal to minus K T plus C. Okay, and now it is given that T0 is equal to 150. That means we have given when T is equal to 0, when time is equal to 0, T small t is equal to 0 and this capital T is equal to 150. And now substituting the values here, it becomes log of mod 150 minus S is equal to 0 plus C, because the value of T is 0 here. It means C is equal to 150 minus S, and substituting in this equation number 1, and therefore from this number 1 it becomes log of mod T minus S is equal to minus KT plus log of mod 150 minus S, and take this term on this left hand side and then use the properties of logarithms. It becomes log of mod T minus S upon 150 minus S is equal to minus KT. And now when we have to remove this log, this implies T minus S upon 150 minus S is equal to e raised to the power minus KT, which is the required differential equation. The required solution of the differential equation. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. डिके का मतलब क्या होता है कि डिक्रीज हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है तो हमारे पास नेगेटिव साइन आता है, और जब कोई भी चीज ग्रो करती है, इंक्रीज होती है, तो पॉजिटिव साइन आता है. जो हमने लास्ट एग्जांपल्स लिए थे तो उसमें इंक्रीज हो रहा था तो हमने पॉजिटिव साइन लिया था. ठीक है, तो अब ये ड्रॉप्स हो रहा था, टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप्स हो रहा था, यानी कि टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज हो रहा था, so therefore we have to take the negative sign. I hope you understand. If there is any problem, then you can contact to me. Thanks and have a nice day.